today we are talking about OEE and downtime tracking as part of our digital solutions. To start with, I will just give you a short overview of OEE in general. That's a KPI that has been used in production for decades, but we are convinced that we can bring it to digital level now. OEE in general is a KPI that is used by the machine operators to have an overview of how their production is running, whether their outputs are high or low, and what the reasons are for that. And downtime tracking can be an addition to this because it details some information of the OEE and thus helps to get deeper knowledge and find the reasons for low OEE and outputs. And here we can also differentiate, or the OEM can differentiate, whether the reasons are machine related or because of the process of the operator. So downtime tracking really shows perspectives to work on the OEE. And now Patrick can tell you how the solution works in the Lenze context.
So the important question is how to get this transparency of your machine. So there we start with the first step inside of the PLC and doing here the calculation of OEE and downtime. That means we are taking here the data, for example, how fast you run, how many parts you have produced, and show it in the first step in the operator panel directly in front of the machine, showing there the configuration part. And then we are taking this data and push it into the cloud as well, so that you can here see your historical data. So on the machine, you see typically 24 hours, and then the historical data into the cloud. And in the cloud, there will be then the possibility, for example, to compare two machines to each other. So that means for the machine builder, it's a very scalable solution, very easy to implement in the first step in offering new services for the end user. And the end user, he has the benefit, transparency of the machine and how he can improve his processes.
Yeah. So as you said, to sum it up, the advantages are really that our solution is scalable, that is easy to implement, and that the OEM really has an added value for this. So if you're interested in solution, please contact us.